Hi there, I'm Karol from Dataton, and today I'm thrilled to announce that WATCHOUT 7.8 is here, the biggest, most ambitious release of version 7 yet. So, let's take a look at what's new. Version 7 has never been stronger. From visual quality improvements to creative and color effects, performance optimizations to smarter documentation, almost no aspect of WATCHOUT has been left untouched. First up, a whole host of visual fidelity upgrades raises the bar for visual quality and opens the door to broadcast-grade workflows. 10-bit capture and output across the board, wide color gamut, HDR, and state-of-the-art hub encoding. The entire pipeline is more precise and more professional. For broadcast and high-end installation users, this means WATCHOUT now slots cleanly into the most demanding visual standards in the industry. For everyone else, it means your content simply looks better, with more accurate color and finer detail end-to-end. WATCHOUT 7.8 features a completely rebuilt asset optimization engine, faster, more reliable, and supporting more formats than ever before. Re-optimization now allows already optimized assets to be re-encoded into a different codec without going back to the original source files. For technical directors and content managers, this means adapting a show for a new venue, a new hardware configuration, or a last-minute creative change no longer requires hunting down master files. Adapt your content to the project, not the other way around. A suite of new creative tools have been added in 7.8, improving chroma keying workflows, exposure, and color temperature management, and content transitions. For designers and operators working on live shows or broadcasts, this means cleaner keys, more consistent looks across sources, and smoother transitions, with less time spent fighting the tools and more time spent on the creative work itself. A huge number of new functions and quality of life improvements are arriving in 7.8. A few highlights. Wake on LAN. Remotely power on node machines throughout your network directly from the producer. For installation operators and touring crews, no more walking the venue to switch on every machine. Access control. Manage who can do what across your WATCHOUT system with user-level permission controls. For larger teams and rental houses, this means safer multi-operator workflows and fewer accidental edits to a live show. Auto Start. Configure shows to launch automatically on a system startup. For permanent installations and unattended venues, your show comes back online by itself after a power cycle. Native SIMPT ST2110 support. For broadcast facilities, WATCHOUT now connects directly to your IP-based infrastructure with no extra conversion gear. Visit the release notes for the full rundown. WATCHOUT 7.8 is also more efficient under the hood. Notch LC decoding is dramatically improved. On many configurations, you can play back over 50% more notch layers simultaneously without upgrading hardware. Blur effects have been optimized too, so you can work with more layers, more effects, and higher resolutions than before. What does this mean for the operator? More creative headroom on the same machine. Designers can push richer compositions through a review without hitting the wall. And on the show day, there's more performance margin in reserve when something unexpected gets added at the last minute. For everyone running on existing watch packs or custom hardware, it's a meaningful update with no extra cost. The user's guide has been completely rewritten and is now embedded directly in the application, always available, no internet required. WATCHOUT and WatchPacks documentation have been merged into a single unified guide, giving you one place to find everything. For operators on site, on a closed network, or under time pressure, the answer is now a click away rather than a browser tab away. One more piece of news that has been a long time coming: the WATCHOUT 6 to 7 importer. For a long time, one of the toughest challenges our community has faced in moving to WATCHOUT 7 has been bringing existing version 6 projects forward into the new architecture. With 7.8, the importer tool makes it effortless. Translating and preserving stage information, media, cues, and much more, so that even complex legacy projects come across with access to all the latest features. When the importer has done its work, it generates a detailed report, flagging anything that needs manual attention. Check out our detailed guide to the importer for more. That's the theme across the whole 7.8 update, making WATCHOUT faster, smoother, and more capable for people actually running the shows. We haven't even touched on the long list of technical fixes and stability improvements, working quietly in the background. For the full changelog, find the link below. We're excited to see what you do next with WATCHOUT 7.8.